Don't sleep on the teeth. You are now rocking with the Cool Cats and me, the D.E.V. Let's talk about your cat's teeth. What exactly do they have in their mouth? Well, first you have the incisors. These are the small little teeth in the front. They have 6 at the top and 6 at the bottom. These are basically like holding teeth. They hold prey in place. Next, they have their molars. These teeth are used for chewing, and they are on either side of their mouths. Usually there's about 3 on each side. Then there are the canines. These are the long, sharp teeth. 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. These teeth have an exceptionally long root. They have to be very strong to keep these teeth in place. They are the teeth used for killing. So kittens have 26 teeth. These are shed and replaced by 30 adult teeth. This starts happening with a kitten somewhere around 5 to 6 months old. So Batman, I got a question for you, man. What happened to this box? Look at this thing. What happened? Now, this was your sanctuary. You was staying in this thing, sleeping in it at night, wouldn't leave it. Why'd you tear it up? Now, we shooting a video about teeth. Did you do this with your teeth? Did you do this for the upcoming video as an example for the people? Wow, that would be an incredible sacrifice. Only if I believe that. So look, people, I guess this is an example of what cat teeth can do. When a cat has problems with their teeth, the vets don't deal with it like human teeth. There are no caps, dentures, or braces for cats. Usually the only option is extraction, but normally this doesn't affect a cat's quality of life. So why don't we talk about how to keep a cat's teeth healthy? Number one on the list is going to be a good dental care diet. Now, they have many foods on the market that have ingredients that key on this, but the most natural thing is making sure that they eat some raw meat. These are carnivores, ladies and gentlemen. It's what they naturally do, and it's what their teeth are designed to do. So in our homes, probably the best thing for their teeth is, once again, here I go with the raw diet. The next way to take care of your cat's teeth is by brushing. So, you know, in everything that I've researched and seen, it talks about brushing your cat's teeth once or twice a week. And I believe that that's good. I'm not saying it's not. But any of you all who have cats know how hard this could be, brushing your cat's teeth. They're not a fan of it at all. Later on, I have something that I discovered that works just as well, that's a lot easier. So stay tuned for that. Next on the list is going to be something called dental treats. Now, they have treats out there for kittens and cats that are designed to help with their teeth. And so if you treat your cat or reward them to get them to do things, or just for being good, you might want to look into the type of treats that are designed to help with cats' teeth. Next up, we have something called dental toys. Now, they make toys that help remove plaque from cats' teeth. And basically how it works, it mechanically removes plaque as the cat chews on them. Now, I've never used this, but I have a couple of people that I know that swear by it. So look out for the toys for teeth. And the last thing on this list is an annual scale and polish from your vet. So if you go, just like we go get a teeth cleaning, basically that's a cat teeth cleaning once a year. If you do that and the vet removes whatever plaque is there, you're good to go. Now, earlier I mentioned that I discovered something that works better for me than trying to brush these cats' teeth. And what that is something called water additive. Now, some of you guys may have heard of this, but it's something that you simply add in their water when you feed them. So I feed my cats twice a day. So when I feed them, I also drop a little bit of that in their water, and it fights against plaque and all of that kind of stuff. And you know, I usually don't do this, but this stuff has worked miracles for me. It's by a company called Tropper Clean. And again, this stuff is odorless and tasteless, so the cats don't even know that they ingesting it. And you know, it prevents plaque. Now this, if cats have plaque or problems with their teeth that's already there, this won't reverse it. this simply moving forward helps keep plaque away and all that kind of stuff. But this works great and it takes all the headache away. So again, this is something y'all might want to check out. It's a company called Clean. And when I discovered this, it was like euphoria for me, because I tried to brush their teeth, you know, and it was just like, man, this is not gonna work. Looking for another way. So check that out. Yeah, see, this is more of an example of what happened to this box. Crazy critters playing. Here's the damage over here. Those are the pieces torn out. Robin, did you tear this thing up? You know, I wouldn't have thought of you initially as guilty, but every now and then you surprise me. Batman, did your brother tear this box up? Oh, can y'all hear that? The rhythmic chorus of nature at its highest form. Hey, you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, however long or short that may be. And remember, treat your animals well. They didn't ask to be there with you, but now all they have is you. Treat them like family. Fam.